wreaths are made to be hung inside or outside. If hanging them on the outside, make sure your door is protected by a porch or awning. Deco mesh wreaths are suitable for outdoors, but make sure you keep them covered from bright sunlight. If not, you may notice that their colors fade over time. During extreme weather conditions, make sure you take your wreath inside. Strong winds, storms, and extreme sunlight may damage your wreath. When handling your wreath, try not to handle deco mesh wreaths too much, as this could cause fraying. Should you notice any frays, just simply cut them gently with a pair of scissors. When your wreath is not in use, you can place it in a box large enough so that the wreath and its embellishments are not squished. If we ship a wreath to you, just save the box that it comes in. It's perfect for this. You can also store your wreath in a large garbage bag. We like to use the clear one so that you can see what's inside. Just use a clothes hanger and hang your wreath just like you would an item of clothing. Then poke a small hole through the closed end of the bag. Insert your wreath on the hanger. Then either cut the leftover bag at the bottom, or you can simply tie it off. Once this is done, hang your wreath in a cool, dark place. If you can't hang it to store it, just be sure that you store it with the flat side down. Make sure nothing is on top of the wreath, because if you do, it could cause your wreath to lose its shape and the embellishments could be damaged. If your wreath is made of deco mesh, it should never be placed face down or left standing on its side for any amount of time.